in 4 high and now 4 low. I had to wait till it was into 4 high. This is actually one of the first times putting this car into 4-wheel drive. Now it is, to mention, a bit slippery, a bit wet. Let's see how we do. I haven't let down my tyres at all, but the N80 is meant to be very capable. Oh, I did that with these. Next, down a little small incline, still in 4 low. A little bit of sliding. I think there's a bit of a wheel lift there as well. Didn't feel amazing. I've done this track a number of times in the N70, but that did feel a bit off. It felt like it actually picked up a wheel just about here as the other side dipped in. I'm gonna have to watch it back, but lost a bit of traction, got a bit of slide on. Didn't feel amazing. On to the next one though. Now this part of the track, the next part, I've done a number of times in the N70 and it just walks through. Like it's got good drop off, but seriously, I don't think the N80 is going to do it. No, I'm not feeling confident in that. There's just no clearance. I have to go around it. I wonder if I can go up and around. Ooh, clearance, not my friend. Yeah, I'm going to go around. Choose the smarter option where you can. No point damaging the car. Well, that's up to my knee. There is no way that the Hilux would have made that drop off. So I'm gonna play it smart and just, yeah, I'm not gonna attack that. There's no point. I've done it before in the N70. N70 can do it. I know that it can do it. There's just no point risking the new car to do it yet. So having a look at the track, the conditions, it's currently raining. Just slid down that section now. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get down here, turn around and just come back, I think. These tires are like road tires. Just shows what I'm used to versus what I'm trying to do now. I'll give credit to the stock N80 with no lift and just a set of Bridgestone jewelers or something, jewelers, I don't know, something like that. You've done well, Hilux. She's looking alright, but definitely needs a lift, needs the wheels and tyres sorted, so gonna head over to DAB Automotive and might need some KMCs on it. What do you reckon? Here it is, the day we're waiting for. N80 is in at DAB Auto. We're down here to get the lift kit done. Let's go in, have a chat with the team and talk through what we're going to be doing. Devon, what's the plans for the N80?
3 and 2 Fox lift kit.
So that is Fox 2.0s in the front with the non-remote res. Now you've done heaps of these.
It's basically the only thing we do on N80 Hiluxes.
Yeah.
They just love it. Super comfortable, serviceable, everything you need.
Cool. So that's going to level everything out. In the rear, what are we doing with the leafs and the shackles?
So full greasable shackles and pins set up. Leafs will be to suit rooftop tent and fridge and drawer setup.
Cool. Which is exactly what I'm doing at the moment. It's going to support the load. We're not going to have any of that jittiness, the ruggedness, or maxing out on any of the lifts, flexing out. Down the track, if I wanted to change up, what would you recommend that I do next?
We can look at parabolics if you put a lot more weight on. Luckily enough, the 300 kilo leaves that we use, you can pull a leaf out and are super comfortable to bring them down to 150 kilo rating.
Yeah, sweet.
Put me on the altar 'cause you can't be tamed. Silence underneath your flame. Cut the cords around me as I speak your name. It's never gonna be the same. Even though I loved you, it was all in vain. Not gonna take away. Put me in the water, tell me I'm renamed. Higher self-reclaimed. I choose me, I choose me, I choose my body. I'm
So the boys are just putting on the wheels and tyres, and it's coming together really nice. Did have to bring it down just a little bit. It was a little bit too high, so I've just readjusted the shocks, pulled them out, just reset them, put them back in. The guys here are absolutely amazing at making sure that everything is right. Everything's got a pen mark on it, a paint pen mark on it. Everything's set exactly how it should. These guys do plenty of Hiluxes. They've got their own N80 as well. They are testing things, they're trialing things. They just know their stuff. So super stoked with how it's all looking. Heights are looking great. Just got to head down, get a wheel alignment, and then the real fun begins, where we take it out and actually test it, comparing it from how it was before to how it is now.
All right, here we are down at Off-Road Creative, dropping the car off. There it is, sitting pretty. It doesn't look anything like any of these big American trucks that they're working on, but it is their new sector that they're doing. So it is the Hiluxes and other variations that are doing the Muzz Bar. I know that they are expanding the Muzz Bar big time, gonna have a whole new cars. So I'm pretty excited to drop it off, get the guys stuck into it. I'm not gonna be able to stick around and film it, but I've got Christian that works here. He's gonna send me some footage to be able to add in and show you guys exactly what they get up to. So I'll leave it with him.
I don't wanna talk. How you try and press the kid and really you was soft. All you know is capping, homie, you don't know the law. Pedal to the metal, you ain't catching me in park. I just hit the start. I don't wanna speak. Talking all that good, so I just hit you with the plays. Running up the score like Tyreek, I'm going deep. Watch me how I'm saucing, I be spreading it with ease.
Today's a special day down at Radius Fabrications in Capalaba, and they've organised for me to get my Snorkel and Airbox fitted here. So down with the team, I've actually bumped into Bree. Bree's getting a fair bit of work done for her car for the Brisbane show. So might even be able to get a sneak peek at what's going on there, but all's gonna be revealed at the Brisbane 4x4 show. This video will be dropping afterwards, but I'm all nerdy because I'm working here right now, and at the same time, they're just gonna help me out with the Airbox and Snorkel. So let's get into it, go have a look.
Tucked at the crib, bro, you know just where to find me. Making beats and spitting crack verses pretty likely, yeah. Socks with the Berks, boy, I ain't changed a bit. Normal guy till I die, you know what it is. You probably thought I'd give up now that I got some kids, but really now I got these arrows aiming at your ribs. I don't wanna talk. How you try and press the kid and really you was soft. All you know is capping, homie, you don't know the law. Pedal to the metal, you ain't catching me in park. I just hit the start. I don't wanna speak. Talking all that good, so I just hit you with the.
Okay, so before we go out on a bit of an adventure, we've got to hit up the local track. We got the tub rack, we got the awning, we've got suspension done, we've got the bar work on the front done, power system's in, fridge is in. It's all looking pretty good. So let's head back to the local test track and put it through the same sort of paces, maybe even a couple of harder tracks. Before we were bottoming it out, we weren't getting much flex in there, and we're getting a bit of wheel lifts where realistically you don't want it. The more traction, the more chance that you can have of the wheels on the ground, the better. Into neutral, and just head up the first little part of the track. There's a bit of a step up. That's all pretty easy. I haven't let my tyres down either, so this is using new wheels and tyres, new suspension. Crawls up easy as. Better go get my camera. Okay, so moving on to this next part. Generally there's a bit of a dip here, and last time there was a bit of a wheel lift at the back, which doesn't feel like it's lifting there. I might have just got off the ground a little bit, but a lot smoother, a lot easier. I didn't struggle not having a sook about it like last time I did. Oh, this next section I wouldn't even really go down because I knew that I didn't have the travel, but this time I know that there's the travel there. I'm not going to bottom out. I'm very confident. Yeah, did it with ease. So easy. Well guys, that's it. The N80 passing the test, doing everything that it should. Came as a bit of a before, gone as an after. So we've done suspension, ripped it up, gone to the local test track, which absolutely love. Got to actually try a little bit more at the local test track this time, just because, well, it's capable of doing it now. So guys, if you've enjoyed watching this, a subscribe is a big deal. So please hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. Thank you all for watching, and next time we're going to Double Island, so stay tuned for that one. Can we just take a minute to acknowledge how good it's looking now? Front bar, suspension, wheels, tyres, tub rack, awning, snorkel, airbox, everything looking right in its place. Even got the fridge. Good old trusty Evercool, 80 litre. Has not let me down. There's a drink. Time for a drink. Pepsi Max, if you want to sponsor me, I'm drinking enough of you.